Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add Mailchimp to Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify App Store and search for the Mailchimp app. Install this official integration to begin the process. Before connecting, ensure both your Shopify and Mailchimp accounts are active. Also, remember to pause any welcome automations in Mailchimp to avoid sending duplicate messages to your customers once the sync is complete. This ensures a smooth start. Once the Mailchimp app is installed on your Shopify store, the next step is to link your accounts. Open the app from your Shopify admin dashboard. You will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. After successfully logging in, carefully review the permissions requested by the app. Grant these permissions to allow secure data exchange between the two platforms, then click Allow to finalize the connection. With your accounts connected, it's time to configure your data synchronization settings. You'll need to select the Mailchimp audience that will receive your Shopify customer data. Next, determine precisely what information you want to sync, such as customer details, order history, and product specifics. It's also crucial to map your Shopify data fields to the corresponding Mailchimp fields to ensure all customer information transfers correctly and efficiently. Now that Mailchimp and Shopify are integrated, you can unlock powerful marketing capabilities. Leverage your synced customer data to create highly targeted email campaigns, sending relevant messages to specific segments. Automate essential workflows like abandoned cart reminders and personalized product recommendations, which can significantly boost sales. Finally, utilize Mailchimp's comprehensive analytics to track campaign performance, gain valuable insights, and continuously optimize your email marketing strategy for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.